And Kenya will be aiming to move further away from the relegation zone as they play England, USA and Wales at the Singapore Sevens in the World Sevens Series. The Kenyan Premier League resumes on Sunday following midweek action. This as Lenana and Nairobi schools held their annual golf tournament at the Karen Golf Club. Beg your pardon.
Shujaa continues their battle against relegation when they play at the Singapore Sevens leg of the World Rugby Sevens Series. Kenya plays England at 5:44 a.m. on Saturday, then meet series leaders the United States at 9:34 a.m. before wrapping up their Pool C matches against fellow relegation contenders Wales at 12:38 p.m. Back home, the Enterprise Cup enters the quarter-final stage on Saturday, with Kenya Harlequins hosting Kenyatta University's Black Blood. Impala welcome Wamba, Kabras are at home against Nondis, and KCB face Nakuru at the Lions' Den in Ruaraka. Now, following the midweek action, the Kenyan Premier League resumes on Sunday with 8 matches lined up. There will be a double-header in Machakos, with Posta Rangers clashing with Mount Kenya and KCB facing second place Sofapaka. In selected matches, third place Bandari play Western Steamer while Tusker battle with Kariobangi Sharks. Over 200 golfers converged at the Karen Golf Club for the annual tournament featuring all students from Lenana and Nairobi schools. The two institutions have been traditional rivals in sporting activities since the 1940s, and this year's event was also a celebration of Lenana School's 70th anniversary celebrations, as well as a means to raise funds to help in the completion of an 18-hole Lenana School public golf course.